What is going on, Pengu family? I feel like I haven't made a video on this project in a really long time. And honestly, guys, this is a project that I really do believe has a lot of potential for the sole fact that it transcends just the meme coin space. I mean, this is a global brand that we are talking about, and it looks like there's a lot of big things that are coming down the pipeline for this project. So we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world of pudgy penguins and their token Pengu. If you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. I try to help you guys find the next 10, 20, 50, or even 100x gem in the market. Guys, the market is on a dip right now. Massive opportunity for you guys to load up on this correction. And if you've been taking advantage of this, then hey, good for you. Make sure you guys subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you like this video so YouTube pushes it out to more people on the algorithm. And hey, without further ado, guys, let's get right into today's video. Obviously, first things first, we're going to start off by taking a look at CoinMarketCap. Now, in the last 24 hours, price of Pengu back down 8.66%. In the last 7 days, guys, down 20%. And in the last 7 days, you can see the price went down to 0.01 because of the announcement from Trump, obviously, guys, that he was going to be imposing tariffs on China. On President Xi. And if you guys were to buy that dip, right when that news, right when that FUD came out, you would already be up a 2x on that. And that's what market manipulation looks like, guys. Okay. If you didn't know, when Trump announced that, literally minutes before or 30 minutes before that announcement came out from Trump that he was going to be putting 100% tariffs, somebody made a brand new account and opened up a short for over $300 million. Okay, so obviously some very sneaky insider trading has been going on, guys. And it's unfortunate that, there's a lot of us, the genuine people who are investing for long-term growth who have to be on the bad end of things. But that's why I like to say, guys, don't leverage trade. If you really don't have to leverage trade, do not do it, because the best way to lose money in the crypto space is by leverage trading. For those of you who are spot trading, who are buying and holding, guys, then hey, you may want to consider looking at Pudgy Penguin. This is a very solid play. Currently trading at $1.54 billion market cap. In the last month, down 30%, guys. And it has been down since it's come out. It did come out earlier this year, I believe, actually in December time is when it came out. Had ran up to highs of about 2.69 billion, maybe even $3 billion market cap. And now we are 50% below that all-time high. And honestly, 50% off all-time highs is still a fairly good entry, because a lot of your other favorite mid-cap meme coins, they are down maybe 60, 70, even 80%, right? But Pudgy Penguin not doing too bad in that region. And honestly, guys, a lot of people in this crypto space right now, especially right now, are making a lot of money simply because they are in groups where there are people in there that know more than them that are telling them exactly when to buy, which is why, even before I get into their website of Pudgy Penguin, I want to emphasize how important it is to be a part of a community. Surround yourself with people who know, guys, the next move to make in the markets. Personally, I've been in these markets since 2017. I've learned a thing or two, guys, and I know that the fear that was created within the last couple of days is the perfect opportunity to load up, which is exactly what we've been doing. I've been telling my community to load up on Ethereum, and I told them, hey, this is exactly what I'm doing. I dropped $30,000 into Ethereum at 3,700, and look at the price right now, right? It's already up to 4,100. And obviously, guys, anyone with half a brain knows that Ethereum is going to be smashing all-time highs very soon. So that $30,000 buy-in at 3,700 is going to look like a genius entry, and I'm telling you guys, it will pay off. Now, Pudgy Penguins is a global IP focused on proliferating the penguin mimetic culture and good vibes. Now, like I was saying, guys, this is a huge brand. It used to be well, it still is an NFT, guys, and they used to have retail stores. They still do have retail stores, and they sell their Pudgy Penguin plushies all throughout the world, and it is literally a global brand that transcends the meme coin space, right? Which is what I love. They have a community outside of the meme coin that they just dropped. Now, you can see here that they have something known as Lil Pudgies as well, which is a another collection of NFTs that these guys have that you guys can obviously go ahead and check out. And one of the biggest things about them is how much they communicate, guys. I love how transparent, how open this team is, and not to mention, unlike a lot of other projects, they actually have headquarters in different areas throughout the world, right? And that is one thing that I would obviously be able to get behind. Now, I do want to do this markup live with you guys. You can see this area right over here. We are finding a little bit of a support area. And it's very interesting because this same area acted as a resistance back in January 2025. After we dipped and we broke this area over here, well, to be fair, guys, we only launched in December, so we didn't have any price action to go off of. But ever since then, you can see here, we did not revisit this area. The one time we did, you can see like a little indecision candle here. And then we started an ascent to the upside. Now it's retesting the support area yet again. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if we start a move towards the upside sooner rather than later. Now, on Solana itself, I think that Pudgy Penguins is one of the bigger meme coins that are actually out there. And honestly, guys, I believe in the team. I think they're going to do well. And if you're looking for a solid entry with literally, guys, an 80% gain, just getting back to 2.8 billion and to previous all-time highs, which was like a wick, it will be a 182% gain. Okay, not too shabby at all. Obviously, if you are Pudgy Penguin holders, you need to factor in literally everything. This isn't just a meme coin. It is a global brand that has almost 1 million followers on X. And there isn't a lot of projects out there that have the same type of lore that Pudgy Penguins has. Honestly, I feel like for some reason, they have so many ABGs on board. Like I see a new ABG posting a picture with a Pengu plushie every single day. Somebody explain that to me. What is the lore behind that? Why is that happening? And look at this. We really got Pengu at Korean Film Awards ceremonies before GTA 6. How did they even manage to pull this off? This is amazing. I love this. In hindsight, the signs will be obvious. You can see here, they got the privilege of going on the NASDAQ, which they get to do. Like, they bring on certain people. The fact that they brought on, like, the Pengu mascot, I think it's super cool, guys. I don't think there's ever a team that communicates as much as Pudgy does. Another inner igloo meeting, despite the whole market crash. They aren't afraid of the red candles. They don't disappear when market is bad. They take it in and share their thoughts to us. Today's meeting made me realize how much the team has dedicated to this and how much they are willing to do for this project. Buying Pengu on deep, waiting is for 0.4 to 0.45 in the near future, and considering the price of it right now is at 0.02, guys, at least a 10x or a 20x gain. Okay, not too shabby. Rumor alert, Disney might be planning a massive Pengu acquisition at 0.01 per token. If true, this could reshape the entire crypto industry. Are we able to witness the biggest move in crypto yet? Now, obviously, guys, this is just a rumor. There is no proof around it. But if this were to be true, and this is something that's going to happen, this would be massive for Pengu, okay? I don't know. Let me know down below what your guys' thoughts are on Pengu. Obviously, I haven't been covering it for a while, but I do think as a Solana meme coin, it is one of the better plays. Obviously, guys, with that being said, I do need to emphasize I'm not a financial advisor. So please do your own research, do your own due diligence before you buy into anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, family. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. And yeah, peace out, guys.